I am Scott Rendall, and I'm with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services. Today I wanted to introduce you to our new PUP program. That stands for Pet Urine Plan. One of the questions we're most often asked is, can you get out pet urine? Most of our clients do have pets, and oftentimes they will have a little accident, and sometimes a larger accident, and we get the call to come out and remove it. So introducing our PUP program, first of all, what we will do is go out with you on a walkthrough on your carpeting. We have a map here that we identify where the spots are, the urine spots, using some technology that's really high tech, and I'll show you that in just a second. After we're done marking this and inspecting this, then we'll decontaminate, and I'll show you those steps next. So first of all, we need to do an inspection with you to find out where the urine might be. Sometimes you can see it, and sometimes you just need an extra heavy-duty light system so that you can see it better. Oftentimes though, because of the wavelength of urine, that's not good enough. A high-intensity flashlight isn't good enough to be able to see that urine with our eyes. So what we use is a high-intensity black light. This is a wavelength that's designed to find organic matters like urine especially, and blood. Safety first. We always put on our safety goggles to protect our eyes from UV rays, and we even have a set for you since you'll be helping us with the walkthrough. And next we just go ahead and turn on the black light, and we'll look for areas that fluoresce. Now right now I don't see any because there's no urine on this. If there was, it would be lit up and very bright, so we'd be able to see urine with a black light much easier than with our eyes. After we've identified those with the black light and marked them onto our sheet, the next step is to peel back your carpeting, if we need to, possibly. If it's just surface, we don't need to peel this carpet back, but if it's all the way through the carpet and the pad, and possibly in the subfloor, we have a system as part of our PUP for that as well. We would take our carpet turner, disengage a corner, and peel the carpet back. Just imagine that this is installed with the tackless strip so that it needs to be peeled back, because otherwise it won't come out easily. After we peel the carpet back, we inspect the back of the carpeting. As I've mentioned in other videos, most of the time, if it's a smaller area on top, if it's liquid, it oftentimes goes through and spreads. So it may be double, triple, even up to quadruple the size on the back that it is on the front. As the liquid or urine travels through the carpet backing, it often travels into the pad, and sometimes even through the pad into the subfloor, depending on severity and how often the pet has gone to that area, perhaps over and over again. It may go all the way through to the backing, through the pad into the subfloor. If we need to get to this step, what we would do is clean and treat the subfloor first and then seal it. We have a product that's designed to seal in any odors from the bottom side. After that, we would cut out, again, there's a couple ways to do this. This is the most thorough way. If we needed to, we'd cut out the contaminated part of the pad. This is a giant sponge, and it's very difficult to decontaminate a pad, so a lot of times it's more cost effective to just cut out the area that's been affected. We will replace the contaminated pad with a matching pad of quality and also thickness. So imagine this is all back down and you got a new piece in here that's been taped down. Then our last step is to treat and decontaminate and also seal the backing of the carpeting. It's actually our next to last step, because we're going to do the top last. We would take a product that's designed to break down urine, apply it to the contaminated area, extract it, and then we would apply a sealer, because as I've explained in other videos, this backing of the carpeting, if it gets wet for a long period of time, will start to delaminate. We don't want your carpet falling apart from the top because the glue might be damaged. So we would seal it, and it also acts as a glue with a odor encapsulant. We put the carpet back down, re-stretch it in, and from the top side we would apply that same product that's designed to break down urine, let it dwell and do its magic and eat up all that urine that's on the top side of the carpeting. And then our final step is to extract it. So that area that's been contaminated with urine, we would extract that last. So that's a little bit about our PUP program. It sounds like it's very difficult, but it's really not. It's simple. This system here makes it very easy for us to walk through with you to determine where the urine odor resides, and we have the plan specifically custom tailored through our PUP to help you out and get rid of that urine once and for all. If we're allowed to do all those steps, if you say go ahead and take care of it all, then we 100% guarantee that that odor is gone for good and will not return. Now if your pet comes back in, obviously we can't guarantee your pet won't come in and urinate in other areas, but we can guarantee our work that we've done to this point with all those decontamination steps, that the odor is gone for good and it won't return. So that's a little bit about our PUP program, and we hope to hear from you soon. 810-225-2184. Thanks.